It can happen to anyone, anytime, anywhere. Sudden cardiac arrest. And when it strikes, every second counts. Each minute of delay in delivering CPR and energy from a defibrillator reduces the chances of survival by 10%. Yet, if a shock is delivered within 4 minutes, the chance of survival soars. Since the majority of sudden cardiac arrest incidents happen in a public place or at home, it's vital to have a public access defibrillator, PAD, nearby. But not just any PAD, one that's easy to use, portable, durable, cost-effective, and designed for anyone to use. The HeartSign Samaritan P-Series PADs are specifically designed for public use and first-time users and are appropriate for rescuers of all skill levels. The HeartSign Samaritan PAD gives you the assurance and guidance you need to deliver vital treatment fast in a crucial situation. Its clear, intuitive design, plus visual and audio prompts, all act as your side-by-side partner. The HeartSign Samaritan PAD is as important as a first aid kit or fire extinguisher. Today, it's a vital life-saving tool that makes all the difference in a sudden cardiac arrest. The HeartSign Samaritan PAD is easy to use, and it helps you stay calm in a pressure situation.
Assessing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Motion detected. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered.
There's no question it's a life-saving device to rely on in any situation, in any environment. What makes the HeartSign Samaritan P-Series PAD design superior for public use? HeartSign has a long history of developing defibrillators. It all started with our former Chief Technology Officer, Professor John Anderson, who was pivotal in creating the world's first mobile coronary care unit. From the early days, HeartSign's technology team developed a roadmap of new devices with a rich history of innovations and inventions, including the design of the HeartSign Samaritan PAD. Portable and rugged, it weighs only 2.4 pounds, far less than other more cumbersome units, and the lightest one available. And the device is extremely user-friendly, with clear audio and visual prompts from event setup to shock delivery and CPR coaching. The Samaritan PAD hosts the same defibrillation technology used by ambulances and emergency rooms. It also employs a revolutionary and proprietary design that combines the battery and electrode pads in a single cartridge called the Pad Pack with only one expiration date. Other products require separate batteries and electrodes to track. A single cartridge Pad Pack is all you need for either adults or for younger patients. The Pad Pack has a 4-year shelf life from the manufacturing date and is easy and economical to replace. The entire unit is so reliable that we offer the longest warranty available, 10 years, and it carries the industry's highest durability rating, an IP56 rating, all this superior life-saving technology, yet the HeartSign Samaritan PAD is one of the most affordable units on the market. HeartSign, life-saving, pure and simple.